using a fake ID at a college bar, getting caught with a girl in the backseat of a car, running out on the field for the senior game wearing number 17. There's a last time for everything. Like a George Strait cassette in a Pontiac, or telling supercuts, let's leave it long